Hello everyone. Today I have with me a DashCam from Procus Hector DashCam. I bought this looking at the specifications and also the price that this was being sold in Amazon. So today I will show you what came inside the box and also the features of this DashCam. We'll also talk about my opinion, how I felt about this DashCam. So this is the box which came inside the Amazon packaging. It has the Procus branding and the Hector and so on and so forth. Price written here is $3,999, but I bought it for $3,100. And on the back side it shows specifications like full 1080p resolution, high quality glass lens, 2-inch display, which is here, and wide angle lens, G sensor, parking, a lot of features being mentioned here, which sounds very good. Okay, but I'll come to the point about my opinion. First and foremost, this is the camera itself. As you can see, it looks very similar to the Mi car dash cam that I bought some time back, and I also have a video in my channel, so if you want to watch, then you can click on the I button to watch the video. But this looks very similar in terms of the way that the camera is positioned, the screen, and so on and so forth. But there is a huge difference between the Mi dashcam and this Procus dashcam. First and foremost is the price, obviously. Apart from the price, this dashcam so far, after having tested it, is the worst dashcam that I have ever purchased. First of all, it's not a 1080p video quality. So if you keep watching this video, then I will also include the video clip taken from this dashcam, and you will see how the video quality is. So the video quality is not 1080p, definitely not. It looks more like a 480p or a 720p, hardly 780p pixel. It's very poor. I haven't tested this in nighttime, so I don't know how the nighttime video quality would be, but the daytime video quality itself is worst, so I don't want to assume how the quality during nighttime would be. This dashcam also comes with a inbuilt battery, but I don't know what the capacity is. There are a couple of buttons given over here on the top. As you can see, this is not a micro USB port. This is the old vintage micro. I don't know what type of connector, USB connector this is, but definitely this is not up to date. This is a very old design. This is what it is. I will not be able to, probably, if this charging, if this goes bad, then I will not be able to find a replacement cable, because this is an old USB connector. Okay, on the top then we have a connector where this suction goes inside, goes on the windscreen, and we connect it very similar to how it is in the Mi dashcam. Top we have the power button, and on the back side we have the 2-inch display, Procus branding, and dedicated buttons for menu, selecting the menu options, and also OK confirmation. On the bottom we have holes for mic, a reset button, and a micro SD card slot. Okay, so let's power on this, and I'll show you how this screen itself is. So it powers on with the screen, and it is asking me to insert a SD card. But as you can see, I don't know if you are able to notice it, but this is not widescreen. Okay, I'll show you. I'll also upload the video from this dashcam itself, and this definitely is not 180p, and definitely not 720p as well. And what is worst is this menu doesn't work. So now the battery is dead, so I cannot even connect this with a charger to show the features. I have to go inside my car, plug this in, plug the dashcam, and then probably walk you through on the features. But this doesn't work. This button doesn't work. It's very dissatisfied. Another point, they have given this charger which is fixed. I cannot remove this cable, and they don't have a separate USB port. So if I use this DashCam on my car and I plug this into the car charging port, I don't have an option to charge my mobile phone because there is no additional USB port that is provided. So while this DashCam is being used, that's it, my mobile goes dead. So very unsatisfied with this product. I would request people who are intending to buy this not to buy this. It's the Procus Hector, a terrible DashCam. Very, very unhappy. All the papers that came in are just useless. Okay. So I'll upload a video clip from this DashCam itself, and then you'll get to know how the video quality is. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, this charging port, so the problem with this is that the wire is not detachable, right? And there is no additional USB port. So I have this charger where I can connect to 3 USB cables to charge 2 mobiles. But if I have to use this, then I won't be able to charge any other mobile or anything else because there is no additional USB charger. So that's the biggest problem. So now I will show you the video quality of this DashCam, and also, as I mentioned, the menu doesn't work, right? So I will also show what I meant by that. So let me connect this and I will show you. So now I have connected the DashCam. So this DashCam will only work if connected to this, if I have a power source connected, and the only way to connect the power is via this cable. I cannot use any other micro USB cable to power on. And this menu button which I was talking about, so if you can see here, nothing. There is just a sound, but there is no menu option coming up here. Nothing. And I don't know what this is. There is some button, I think mute, but I don't understand why the selector, why these 2 selection buttons would also be used for muting and unmuting. This doesn't work. And this also, I think this OK button is to start the recording, because if I click this, then this recording timer starts. So it's very, very weird. This button says something else, but it does something else. So right now it's recording. So let me move this little bit here and say I position it where the DashCam is supposed to be. Right, so let it click. So this video quality is definitely not 1080p. It also is not wide angle. So yeah, so that's the DashCam. The video quality is not up to the mark. My end verdict or my advice to everyone is not to go for this. This cost me around 3,100. If you put an additional 800 rupees for around 4,000 rupees, you will get a much better DashCam. And I obviously will be buying that, and hopefully I will get a refund for this DashCam. Menu doesn't work. Obviously, there is a defect, and yeah, do not buy, guys. Do not buy.